in.
Okay.
Okay. Jack, what are you doing out there? What's he doing out here?
Get him in.
Get him in?
I
Okay,
will
get him
wait.
in. Get him in. Ah.
It just went right in seat. There's like a bottle of water.
I know, dirty towels on the dryer. I just accidentally knocked over my water. I didn't knock over the pan, did it?
The pan.
Yes, it was the pan.
I can put him up.
How did he get out?
He
just comes out?
He pops out.
Yeah, naughty boy. Naughty boy, Jack. You get in and stay in. Yeah, tell him. Tell him.
If you don't get out.
Can't do that. You gotta do the music. You gotta do that. It's cheating if you do that. You gotta go like this. Okay. Come down and get their faces.
You were telling me to get their faces?
Yeah.
While
Okay,
they're turning
put
it?
him in. Put him in his house. He loves it in his house. He wants to stay in his house. Okay, stay in your house. Keep going.
Okay.
Quick recovery, Emma.